How to make video memes automatically. Video memes are a powerful form of content that dominate platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. They're short, funny, and incredibly shareable. But creating them manually can be time-consuming. That's where AI-powered platforms come into play. InVideo AI stands out as one of the best tools for automatically generating hilarious and engaging video memes without needing any editing skills. With InVideo AI, you can upload your video clips or use stock footage provided by the platform. Then, by adding your meme text and selecting your preferred style, InVideo does the rest. It automatically adjusts timing, text size, and even adds effects to give your video meme that viral-worthy feel. You can also generate voiceovers with AI, match them with trending sounds, and export the video in the best format for social platforms. The platform also includes a library of meme templates, transitions, stickers, and even watermark-free options for premium users. It's a complete package for content creators, meme pages, and brands looking to boost engagement in a funny and relatable way. Other tools like Capwing and Vida.io are also useful, but InVideo AI's intuitive interface and smart automation features give it a unique edge, especially for beginners. You don't have to worry about manually syncing audio or timing captions. InVideo handles it all in seconds, so if you're ready to flood your feed with high quality, automatically generated memes, InVideo AI is the way to go. Click the link in the description below to try InVideo AI and start creating viral memes instantly.